На нахуй. О, блядь.
The Russians describe Ukrainian long-range drone strike tactics to defeat their air defenses. First, a small initial decoy wave approaches at a high altitude on the obvious frontal attack vector to engage and distract the air defenses. Then the main wave bypasses the target at very low altitude, 10 to 20 meters, utilizing terrain features to avoid radar detection. These drones then attack from the rear or flanks. This is how they managed to burn 2 huge Russian ammunition depots last week. To break through the defenses of the 79th Separate Air Assault Brigade near the village of Kostiantynivka in Donetsk, Russia launched an attack with 35 armored vehicles carrying infantry, supported by 9 tanks. During the battle, Ukrainian forces destroyed 5 armored vehicles with infantry. Panic spread, after which they began to retreat. Roughly 30 Russian servicemen were killed. And in Russian Kursk region, it's business as usual for Ukrainian forces. A Russian BMP-3 destroyed by an FPV drone near Marynivka, Selidov area, by soldiers from the 68th Separate Jaeger Brigade. From a closed chat of Russian sappers, detonation of an undetonated shell, Crimea, Kursk region, end of August of this year.
На нахуй. О, блядь.
Right now, there is a very large and scary Russian convoy in the Donbass, but there is a nuisance. Ideological battle on the border of Lithuania and Russia. Lithuania raised a huge Ukrainian flag to troll Russia. In response, Russia displays a huge Z with flags of Wagner and VDV. I think Putin will not be too happy about Wagner.
Литовцы повешали хохрядский флаг и свой флаг. Это напротив советского. Мост королевы Луизы. А наши Z Z нарисовали им в ответ. И флаги повешали вагнеровские и воздушно-десантный флаг. Боялись, суки.
Ukrainian drone uses flammable substance against Russian positions, effectively setting them on fire in Novo-Alexandrova, Donetsk Oblast. For the end, the launch of SpaceX. Starship belly flop maneuver is simply mind-blowing. By belly flopping, Starship increases its drag area by a huge factor to significantly increase air resistance, thus reducing its terminal velocity, which in turn reduces the fuel and peak deceleration required to bring the vehicle to a stop.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.